It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Everything's Regular video, man. We got my boy Mac out here already working before I pulled up, man. That's what I like to see, man. What's good?
Get this alternator situated. Fortunately, the alternator wire was ripped.
Oh, it was ripped? I know you had another one in the back, man. So we shouldn't have no more stopping, like no power loss at least.
And I wrapped it, the header wire away from the header. So we should have 4 juice.
Yeah.
Charge it overnight.
All right. Woo! Y'all see that? Y'all see that, man? Say what? Oh yeah, guys, we got full juice now on the battery, so that's a plus, man. That's what I'm talking about. That thing is shooting to the sky, man. It's A1. A1, man. That's what I like to see. We left yesterday, it was dying and stuff, but we got it right today. First startup of the day, I'm pretty sure. That's the first start of the day? First start of the day, man. You guys seen it crank right up on camera with you. You saw good? You know how it go, man. We got the Camaro out here today. We're probably gonna, he got already most of the little bugs fixed out that we was having yesterday with it like stopping and with the power and stuff like that. So we got that taken care of. We just need to get this exhaust done today. And I do got the SLP for it, so we'll be putting that back on. And then we'll probably try to figure out what else we can do to it. But for now, it does seem legit, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below, man. Definitely got our SLP. We'll be throwing that back on there. Throwing this in the car right now. Look at that huge hole, man. Boom. So we got the car loaded up, man. It's been idling for a while. Pretty good. I just can't wait to get this thing zooted up with this exhaust SLP. Change these wheels on it. Get it cleaned up. Yeah, I put it in there already. So yeah, we'll head to the exhaust shop right now. And I'll catch you guys there. Out here in traffic, following the Camaro right now. It looks like it's driving pretty good. I can dig it, man. It looks kind of normal on the road, man. What y'all think? Get sideways. Yeah, nah, it looked like it was easy. Yeah, I think it looked good. It's looking A1. So we just made it to the muffler shop, guys. Got the Camaro out here, man. About to get this exhaust welded up so we can pretty much be done with this joint. But anywho, we was looking at this old school here, man. This thing got the freaking LS in it.
65 Impala.
Yeah, 65 Impala with the LS in that joint, man. What y'all think? This that Denzel Washington Monte Carlo. It's the training day, man. They got the whole top of the moot. Okay, with the custom, with the little visor in the back. That's pretty player. I could dig that, man. I see what they're trying to do here.
I'm about to do something like this to my wagon.
Yeah, that's A1. Should do that. About to put this thing in the exhaust shop and see what it's looking like up underneath, man. Just like that. So on the rack, man. Let's get this thing lifted up and see what it's looking like up under here, man.
So A2, that motor was
What we got here, man?
I need a Y pipe.
I need a Y pipe.
This one here, one single, connect to this one. We're probably gonna start fresh, cut here or something. Check this one out. See if this is any good though. Tap it.
Everything in the back looks fine.
Tap that. That shit might be no good.
No, it's good, solid.
It's solid?
Yeah, you can tell right away by how it looks. Everything in the back is cool, man. I mean, you know, we just gotta,
So am I able to put that SLP in the middle though, right here?
if you really want to, yeah, it's problem. I mean, but yes, it's totally up to you. What size you want to do it, man?
Come 2.5. Back from 2.5 right here.
Let me see if I have the white.
So this is 2.5, right? Yeah, just come 2.5. Out from a 3 to a 2.5.
All right, well, that'll work, man.
You want to create back pressure. You don't want to lose back pressure.
Right.
So that 2.5 will keep the back pressure once you come out that wide pipe, boom, pop.
Okay, bet.
Back.
Bet. Man, let's turn this thing on and see what it's sounding like, man. Let's see. Ooh, it's way quieter, that's for sure. Sound way better, man. What y'all think? Some action, man. We got this thing all freaking taped up and ready to go. Got the exhaust on there, man. About to take this thing back to the swap lane. It's way quieter now. So I just want to see this thing pull out really quick, man. Let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Must be that grind making that noise, huh? Alrighty, guys, just made it back to the swap lane, man. We got that exhaust mounted up with the SLP on that bad boy. It's sounding real good. I mean, it's sounding quiet. That's what I really wanted. If I wanted it loud, I kind of would have straight piped it. But we put the SLP back on there with the stock mufflers in the back. I think it sounds pretty good. We got that issue down. Now we need to focus on the ignition. We'll probably get that from like an AutoZone or something, and then probably like call a ignition guy, a key guy, or somebody to come swap it out. But it looks pretty good now. We can check it out really quick. And the fans were just on. They just cut off, but they were just on, so the fans work. And he said it was driving pretty good when he was driving it, so that's a plus, man. Trying to just feel confident when we take this thing on like a little cruise or something. I don't know where we're gonna go or what. You know, we just got to get this thing all detailed up, looking nice, so I can just feel confident when I'm driving it. Get all 4 matching wheels, and then we'll be good to go, man. We'll be good to go. We need some engine mounts for this thing, man. So we'll see when we can get that on there. But for now, you know, it's pretty much done, to say the least, man. What you think?
I just got to hook up that exhaust. I mean, that oil pressure.
Oh, because it has the low oil light on there?
Oil pressure sensor and the ABS. One of the wheel speed sensors is bad.
Okay.
So that's why I got
That's why the ABS light on.
And the traction, the ASR.
Okay, bet.
That's all work. That's the brakes and the traction. So
okay, bet.
Bad wheel speed sensor.
So we should be able to get that tackled today. You know, it's nothing major at all. Really good looking car, man. It came out good, man. It's a pretty good outcome. I was, you know, thinking the transmission was gonna be bad, man. That was my biggest thing right there. You know, you had picked a good motor, so I was just like, man, it's all on the transmission now, but it all worked out. We got to the exhaust shop and back, and it didn't cut off, so he fixed that alternator issue. It had like a bad ground or something like that. So, you know, pretty cool little SS, man. We're gonna get this thing vacuumed out and cleaned up, probably take it home today. I'm not sure, but we'll see what happens. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna give this thing a drive, man, with this new exhaust. We called AutoZone an ignition, and key is only 30 bucks. So we're gonna grab that, swap that out. Feels a little bit better. than yesterday, honestly. Let's see. It feels a lot better, that's for sure. Just adjusting my seat right now. Definitely feel a lot better than yesterday. Feel like you can actually drive this thing now. Yeah, on me, you can swerve in this thing, boy. Got the okay blinkers work, all that. So yeah, it's driving pretty good, guys. It's not loud anymore, so that's a plus. This windshield is definitely messing up our vision. But all in all, it's pretty fair. So he said we gotta connect a sensor for that low oil, and then a sensor for that behind the tire, I guess, for that ABS module thingy. So that's a plus too, man. But yeah, we just driving it around with y'all, just getting the feel for it. This steering wheel, man, we need some motor mounts. He said the motor mount should push that motor up just enough for that steering wheel thing to clear. So I guess we'll grab some motor mounts, man, and try to get those swapped out here pretty soon. But for now, after we get this ignition, man, this thing is gonna be posted up for a minute until we get to the next stages of this build, you know? Feels pretty decent. Gonna need some gas here pretty soon. This thing is running really, really good, guys. Really good transmission, and steering is like terrible. But other than that, it's a pretty good driving car, man. I just wish the steering was right, because everything else would just follow in the suit. We're gonna get this thing cleaned up, man. That's what I really want to do. But I really don't like driving it like this, to be honest. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it over here for a while until we get the motor mounts, or what we're gonna do, or just park it at my crib and put a car cover over it. But we'll see how it works out. So we just finished up our ride. If you guys hear, the fans are going. We got to get those last little sensors figured out, and then this thing will be good to go take to the house and go get clean, man, and make it ours, man. So we got our exhaust done. We're about to get all our sensors and stuff taken care of, man. So this is literally only a matter of a couple plugs, and this thing is, it's already running great. I just drove, you guys just seen it, man. This thing is put together really good. And the headlights work, so that's a plus. I didn't think the headlights worked. You guys seen all the signals and everything worked like that. So that electrical problem that we thought we had, I'm pretty sure it's solved, because it would have cut off, you know, when we was driving for a while. No overheating or nothing like that, no leaks. So now we just got to get our brakes and stuff, and we'll be good to go, man. This car is turning out to be something that I might want to keep, you know.
Get a windshield. Make sure you put a windshield.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's what I was telling them too when I was inside. I was like, damn, I could barely see in this joint. That thing blind you right in the center, man. It's terrible. But pretty good looking car, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below.